Tell the other players to ask the captain. Nana, well, Hansita be here. Our first captain is Hansita, and you're going to ask Hansita, tipi top, which bird do you want? Okay? What is that you're going to ask Hansita? Tipi top, which bird do you want? So then Hansita will be telling. The captain says any bird name, any bird, and all the players will learn towards the section of that bird. For example, if the captain says I want parrot, all the players will run towards the section marked as parrot. For example, Hansita says parrot, everybody will be running towards the parrot. And what Hansita will do? The captain tries to catch the players while they are running. The players caught by the captain are out of the game. So what Hansita will do? Just like out and let go game better. Hansita will be running behind you and catch some of you, and they are out of the game. And then after that happens, Asmanita will change the captain again. And the last player standing in the card section of the bird will be the winner of the game. Okay? Yes, what is that? When Hansita or other captains will be catching the game, the other last one who will be there, they will be the winners. Okay, beta? And what is that? So you can get it out. What is that we are going to learn beta from this game? So I am going to learn and identify different birds beta. And you are going to follow the instructions. You are learning to follow the instructions. Shall we start the game beta? Yes. So today's our captain is Hansita. And our next captain is Logan. Come. Answers beta. Very well. Very good clap answer, Mama. In which lesson we learned about that? Animal. Very good, animal. Good. So eagle is the bird which have sharp claws and beak. What does it do? It catches animals for eating, for food. Yes, it catches small animals for food. Yes, and it says that and he sharp. Very good. Good. It can see sharp.
You have to give me 2 minutes short video once. Okay. You're putting a long video, but also shoot 1 minute short video.
Yes, come on. Our cap. Nana, you should move it back, but you're covering the parrot. Move. Come on, Aradhya. Nana, ready? Start. I want sun. Yes. Just stand. Yes. That is great. Very good. Nana, come on, you are ready. Which bird do you want? Nana, you can catch multiple also, beta. Okay, very good.